how I improve my character design from inking to coloring. In this video, I want to share the process that helped me level up my character design, especially when it comes to combine inking techniques with color choice. After spending time learning how color works, I realized I was not really applying that knowledge to my own characters. So I decided to experiment, take characters from my manga project, and redesign them by thinking about their personality, my inking style, and finally how to bring everything to life with color. So what's up everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. First character. As usually, I start with a dynamic sketch, not a stiff or static pose, but something that already gives a sense of movement and attitude. The characters I am working with all come from my manga project, so I really want to honor their personalities. For the inking, I use PBO ink with my G pen. At this stage, I was not full focused on inking quality. My goal was mostly to test how well I could apply personality-based color design. I keep the inking simple, following the sketch, drop some shadows on the clothes, and move on to the color. Originally, I want to use a classic color line composition, but then I thought, what if I pick the color based on how this character is? This character is enthusiastic, positive, spontaneous, but also calm and patient. So I used yellow as her main color. Yellow expresses energy and brightness. I had sky blue for balance, and because she also mysterious and slightly immature, I incorporate violet and pink. Everything was going well until the alcohol markers touching the ink. PBO ink did not want to cooperate. It smudged immediately, so that was a first technical lesson. Not all inks hold up under alcohol markers. A second character. This character also comes from my project. When you already have great characters, why create new ones? While sketching, I try to reflect her personality directly in the pose. Joyful, kind, and a bit mature. For the inking, I switch to the letter black ink number 4, and I approach the entire line art like a really mangaka panel. Every stroke was intentional. Let me say this honestly, the G pen is not easy to use. Getting clean line white variation takes patience. Fine liners are easier, but the G pen gives that authentic manga vibe. So huge respect to mangaka who ink enter chapter traditionally. For the color, I again use character base color design, green for her main color, blue for the glow, and some red accent. She's thoughtful, kind, energetic, and exciting, so this panel fit naturally. Good news! This time the ink did not smudge with alcohol markers, so the letter number 4 definitely works better for my workflow. Third character. For this one, I completely changed my method. Instead of sketch ink color, I did sketch color ink. During the sketch, I thought about her personality: trustworthy, expressive, responsible, courageous. Based on that, I chose a panel of turquoise, yellow, and red. Then I went straight into coloring on top of the sketch, not inking first. I placed the color where I felt they reflect her traits, but honestly, this was the hardest one. I kept feeling something was not right, but could not explain what. After finishing the colors, I moved to the ink. At first, I thought this method was genius, no smudging issue, and I could ink freely without the fear of ruining anything. But when I realized the downside, it takes way too long, much longer than the normal process. Maybe I was nervous, maybe it's just not my natural workflow, but after finishing the drawing, I knew this technique is not for me. Good experiment, but not my style. Fourth character. Now this one felt amazing from the start. The moment I start sketching, the character's personality come through instantly. Energetic, passionate, courageous, attentive. As I sketched, she kind of introduced herself to me. The pose, the energy, the attitude, everything seems to flow naturally. For the inking, my goals was clear: make it as manga accurate as possible. Clean line art, controlled line thickness, no random improvisation, just following the sketch with intention. When I come to color, I knew immediately red. Red carries passion, intensity, and strength, perfect for this character. To balance her more formal and conservative side, I had gray, which complement the red beautifully. When I finished this piece, I felt incredibly satisfied. The pose, the color, the inking, everything looked exactly how I imagined it. I did not want to change anything. This one felt like the one. 5 character. After feeling so good about the red character, I approached the 5 design with a very positive mindset. I sketched her with her personality in mind. Optimistic, fun, fascinated, excited, friendly, and a little bit immature. A cheerful pose and a big smile match her perfectly. The sketch come out quickly. And for the inking, I keep focusing on training myself to ink in a manga style. Clean strokes, sharp shadow, confident lines. For the color, the panel was natural, orange as the main color, with pink and purple accent. Orange shade for the jacket, purple-pink mix for the hair ribbon, violet for the clothing. This time, the ink did not smudge at all. I used Black Ink 60, a fast-drying Sumi ink. If you are looking for a reliable ink for alcohol markers, this one is amazing. After finishing this drawing, I felt like I finally start understanding how to match color composition with personality. Last character. By now, the process is familiar, sketch inking color. For this last character, I start with her personality, playful, joyful, childish, a bit immature, but also trustworthy, loyal, and honest. I give her a cute face, a shining expression, and a youthful appearance. For the inking, I apply everything I trained so far. Clean manga style line art, line shading for shadows, solid blacks, precise strokes. Again, I use the G pen with Black Ink 60. For the color, I want to experiment a bit. Her main palette was sky blue, turquoise, and pink. I start with her hair using blue shade, add yellow for highlight to test a new idea, use dark purple for accessories, and add pink to tie the panel together. For the jacket and pants, I use different sky blue tones and pink inside the jacket. Here's what I learned from this entire practice. If you struggle choosing color, start with a character's personality. Think about the emotions, energy, and attitude you want to show. Then choose color that match both qualities. Use one dominant color. One main color makes your design strong and more readable. Then add complementary or accent color to support the mood. Add personality directly into the pose. A pose can communicate more than details. This step improves my character design instantly. Find the workflow that fits you. Sketch, ink, color works the best for me. Color ink was too slow and stressful. I hope this video gives you ideas from your own character design and help you explore color a more expressive way. Thank you so much for your comments and for subscribing. It's mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Take care, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.